Go home happy with the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Transcend the ordinary. Get behind the wheel of this distinctive Nautilus and experience the comfort of a luxury sedan coupled with the versatility of an SUV, all wrapped up in high-end style. Well equipped with the latest tech to keep you safe, connected, relaxed, and focused, this midsize crossover redefines the daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, 360-degree view car camera, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, heated driver's seat, sun, moon roof, all-wheel drive. A serene sanctuary with a powerful heart. That's the Nautilus. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.